Welcome to Photoshop Art. To upgrade to Windows 11 on old hardware, you going to need Windows 10 and Windows 11 ISO files with the same language as your system. Links are in video description. Make a new folder. Mount your Windows 10 ISO file. Copy everything to your empty folder. Now unmount that drive and mount the Windows 11 ISO file. Open the Sources folder and find the install file. Open the Sources folder in your new created folder. Copy and replace that install file to your new folder. If files have different names, just delete that old install file. You don't need those ISO files anymore. Go 2 steps back and run the setup. Next step is very important. Click here and disable updates. Now just follow instructions and wait Windows 11 to appear. This is Photoshop Art. Thank you for watching this video.